Hi and Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will present about the influence of Total Quality Management (TQM) towards product quality in Malaysia SME for research method assignment. I'm Muhammad Hazwan Aiman bin Mat Rashid. I will explain about the background of the study and problem statement. In the background of study, there are 3 points highlighted. Number 1, Total Quality Management as a strategic requirement. Total Quality Management or TQM emerged as a critical strategy for achieving long-term customer satisfaction and loyalty. By emphasizing organizational commitment to quality, TQM addresses gaps in customer service and promotes a proactive culture that helps identify and resolve potential quality concerns swiftly. Secondly, employee training for TQM implementation. Proper employee training is essential for aligning staff with quality-focused practices. Well-trained employees are better equipped to follow TQM guidelines, and strong training programs are directly correlated with the production of higher quality products. Investing in human capital is vital for maintaining standing as providers of high-caliber goods and services. Thirdly, examining key factors affecting product quality. Our study focuses on the intricate interplay of employee trust, organizational communication, and training. We aim to analyze this complex intersection to understand how they influence the overall quality of the final product. The goal is to reveal connections that either facilitate or obstruct the achievement of high-quality products in organizational environments. Now, we will focus on the problem statement. We will embark on the journey through the dynamic landscape of the food and beverages industry, particularly focusing on the imperative of small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) in the serene region of Lembah Bujang, Merbuk, Kedah. In this dynamic and challenging industry, SMEs plays a vital role in shaping the local economy and culture. The importance of prioritizing product quality cannot be overstated as it directly impacts the competitiveness of these businesses. In addition, unlocking potential through the quality management. Total Quality Management or TQM is a holistic approach that can significantly improve product quality for SME. It involves continuous improvement, employee involvement, and customer-focused mindset. By embracing TQM principles, SMEs can enhance efficiency, reduce defects, and streamline production processes. Besides, consequences of TQM challenges. The impact of TQM challenges on product quality is profound. Low process capability makes it difficult to maintain consistent and reliable production processes. Variation in product quality threatens SME ability to meet customer expectation, ultimately resulting in lower customer satisfaction and erode trust in the market.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Ili Aizat bin Muhammad Saad. I will present the research question, research objective and method analysis. So first is research question. For the first question is, to what extent does employee training affect product quality? So in this question, is investigate the impact of employee training program on the overall quality of products, assess the relationship between the level of training provided and the quality resulting product quality. So next question is, to what extent does communication among workers affect product quality? Is identify the influence of communication within the organization on the quality of products. Examine how effective communication practice contribute to or hinder product quality. And next is, to what extent does trust among employees affect product quality? Is explore the correlations between trust levels among employees and the quality of products. Assess how a trusting work environment influences the commitment to maintaining high product quality standards. Next is research objective. For first objective is investigate the effect of employee training on product quality. So in this objective, they assess the impact of training programs on enhancing employee skills and knowledge. Examine how well trained employees contribute to maintain and improving product quality. Secondly is identify the effect of communication within the organization on product quality. Is explore communication practice and their role in influencing the overall quality of products. Understand how effective communication channels contribute to better product quality. For data integrity, our method analysis include a meticulous data cleaning process. We address errors in the questionnaire, ensuring accurate and consistent data collections. Additionally, we determine the goodness of fit using statistical tests such as Chi-square and Kolmogorov-Smirnov to assess how well our data aligns with expected distributions. Moving forward, our descriptive analysis provides a comprehensive overview of the collected data. We utilize statistical methods, table, and graph to identify trends, patterns, and relationships between variables. This analysis serves as the foundation for exploring the integrate dynamics of employee training, communication, and trust in shaping product quality.
We move on into the next topic, which is literature review summary. There are many insights gathered from scholarly publication delving into intricate world of product quality within small and medium-sized enterprises (SME). In our literature review, we are synthesizing scholarly insights on three crucial elements, which are employee training, communication, and trust. Our focus is on unraveling the complexity of quality involving not just production but also design and the overall customer experience. The second element is exploring the dimension of quality. Quality in SMEs is not a singular concept. It is many entities involving design, production, and the customer experience. We emphasize understanding the interconnected nature of quality within SMEs. It is not just about what's produced, it is about how it's designed, made, and experienced by the customer. The third element is the key independent variable shaping product quality, which are employee training, communication, and trust. Employee training emerges as a critical factor. It is not just about honing skills but directly contributing to improving customer service quality. Next, we explore the interconnected dynamics of communication and trust among employees. These elements are significant influences on the overall product quality within SMEs. The fourth element is enhancing product quality in SMEs. As we move forward, it is crucial to understand how SMEs can enhance product quality. Our conceptual framework emphasizes the focused approach of SMEs toward improvement. Employee training, effective communication, and fostering trust are at the core of this framework. The fifth element is the effects on product quality. We predict the positive effects of employee training, communication, and trust on product quality. Each hypothesis includes a null hypothesis suggesting no significant effect and an alternative hypothesis suggesting a positive impact. This predictive framework will guide our empirical study. Last but not least, the sixth element in the literature review is uncovering interplay in Merbok's SME. We aim to uncover the interplay of employee training, communication, and trust in influencing collaborative dynamics. The primary focus is on understanding how these variables impact product quality in Merbok's foods and beverages SMEs.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Syarif Fitri bin Muhammad Asri and I want to explain about research method. First is purpose of the study. This study aims to explore how factors like employee training, internal communication and trust influence product quality in the food and beverage F&B industry in Malaysia, specifically in the Merbok region. The goal is to provide practical insight for businesses to enhance their product quality standard. Next is type of investigation. We draw inspiration from a study by Akamu et al. On total quality management. For our research, we could use different investigation types, such as comparing product quality in company with and with or without TQM, experimenting with TQM implementation or identifying pattern in TQM and product quality data. Next, extent of researcher interference. Past study by Nurazi Mahmud et al. And Linjuan Rita Men et al. Suggests varying impact of TQM and on SME performance and product quality in Malaysia. Our study aims to understand this dynamic without imposing significant interference. Next is study setting. We focus on the Merbok region in Malaysia, particularly on small and medium-sized enterprise in the F&B industry. By examining the unique context of Merbok, we hope to uncover specific challenges and opportunities faced by F&B SME. Last but not least is unit of analysis. Individual SMEs in Merbok form the unit of analysis. Each F&B SME is treated separately, allowing us to study their distinct trait and behavior related to employee trust, communication, training and product quality. Lastly is time horizon. Our study follows a cross-sectional design, quality data at a single point in time over a short period, week or month. We utilize survey and interview to understand the relationship between total quality management and product quality in Malaysian SME. Next, we move to sampling technique. In our study on total quality management and product quality in Merbok, Kedah, we using a smart method called random sampling to pick a group that represent all the F&B SME in Merbok, Kedah. This helps us avoid picking a biased group and ensure our finding can be trusted for the whole F&B SME community in Merbok. We are making our research stronger and more reliable by using techniques like stratified random sampling. This careful approach does not only boost the accuracy of our result but also let us apply our findings to better understand how total quality management influence product quality in Merbok, Kedah. Now, we move to data collection. For data collection, we use from a past study and we modify it for our purpose of study. Lastly, we move to data analysis. First is data cleaning. We found a few issues in our questionnaire that need fixing. First is question 1. We're making the employee categories clearer by removing the unknown option. Now it's either 20 to 100 employees or 100 plus employees. Second, in question 2, we're adding an option for companies with a partial manufacturing process, not just full process or subcontractor. Lastly, in question 5, we correcting the ISO standard name to ISO 9001-2000 instead of ISO 9000-2000. This change ensures accurate and consistent data. Next is determination of goodness fit of data. To check how well our data fits expectation, we're using tests like T-square and Kolmogorov-Smirnov. Is there a significant difference between our observed data and what we expect? This test will catch it. Lastly is descriptive analysis. For our study on total quality management in Malaysia SMEs, we collected data in Merbok, Kedah. Descriptive analysis help us summarize this data using table, graph and stat like means, median and mode. This help us spot trend and relationship in the data, giving us a general overview of what happening in the F&B SMEs in Merbok. Let's move to the next topic, analysis and result 1. First phase of data analysis. Based on the picture of training reliability statistics shows no of item is 7 and show that Chromebase alpha is 0.739, same with Chromebase alpha based on standardized item for the validity for independent variable which is training is valid. Based on the picture of communication, reliability statistics shows no of item is sick and show that Chrome-based alpha is 0.729, same with Chrome-based alpha based on standardized item, and for the validity for independent variable which is communication is valid. Based on the picture of trust, reliability statistics show no of item is 4 and shows that Chrome-based alpha is 0.595, same with Chrome-based alpha based on the standardized item, and for the validity for independent variable which is trust is valid. Based on the picture of product quality, reliability statistics show no of item is 8 and shows that Chrome-based alpha is 0.770 and with Chrome-based alpha based on standardized item is 0.798, and for the validity for independent variable which is product quality is valid. That's all from me, and I want to pass for the next present.
Assalamualaikum, I am Muhammad Akif Afifi and I will continue the presentation. For analysis result 2, descriptive analysis is a set of measures that are used to summarize the key characteristics of a dataset. They can be used to describe the central tendency, variability and distribution of data. The mean is the most common measures of central tendency. It is calculated by adding up all the values in a dataset and then dividing them by the number of values. In the context of our data, the mean is 35.38. This means that the average value in our dataset is 35.38. The standard deviation is a measure of variability that shows how spread out the data is around the mean. In the context of our data, the standard deviation is 2.85. That means the most of the value in our dataset are within 2.85 points of the means. By understanding this descriptive analysis, we can make a better informed decision about our data and use it to solve problems more effectively. Analysis result 3. For correlation, there is a moderate positive significant relationship exists between training and product quality. Next, there is a low negative significant relationship exists between communication and product quality. Next, there is a moderate negative significant relationship exists between trust and product quality. So for standard regression analysis, based on the table of standard regression analysis, the largest beta coefficient is TRT, which are trust of total quality management. This concludes that this variable makes the strongest unique contribution to explaining the dependent variable when the variance explained by all other variables in the model is controlled for. This is followed by training of total quality management TNG. Next is CMN, which are communication that indicate that make less of a unique contribution to interpersonal conflict. The result depict that training, communication and trust in total quality management make a unique and statistically significant contribution to the prediction of interpersonal conflict. Next is stepwise regression analysis. You will notice from the output that only the variable training and trust have been entered into the regression equation, and this variable explains 67.2% R squared of the variability in interpersonal conflict F more than 1. The third independent variable, which is communication, failed to meet the selection criteria as indicated by the non-significant value, which are P more than 0.05. For hierarchical regression analysis, you will notice that trust on its own contributes percent of the variance in interpersonal conflict and is significant predictor. At the second step, you will notice from the R square change statistic and the significant F change value that training communication make a significant unique contribution of percent to the variance of interpersonal conflict. However, the preceding table indicate that trust is no longer a significant predictor when both independent variables are entered into regression equation. Analysis and result 4, which are answering research objective. The first objective is to investigate the effect of employee training towards product quality. According to our study, there is a significant positive relationship between employee training and product quality in SME in Malaysia. Our study standard regression analysis for training show a significant positive coefficient that indicate employee training has a significant impact on product quality in SME in Malaysia. The second objective is to identify the effect of communication among the organisation towards product quality. As a result of our study, the communication between employees and product quality in Malaysia SME is highly significant. This result is in accordance with the studies previously made that pinpoint the significance of good communication toward better product quality. Our standard regression analysis for communication reveals that employees' communication has significant positive impact on product quality variable to be considered as important. For the third objective is to investigate the effect of trust among the employee towards product quality. According to the result of our research, trust among employees and product quality have a significant relationship. The importance of trust in shaping product quality was also evidenced by a number of previous studies that were conducted within the context other than an organization. Our standard regression analysis for trust established an coefficient that depicts a significant relationship between employees' trust and product quality. So that's all from me. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
I will present recommendations for Malaysian SME in the F&B industry to enhance product quality based on customer trust, employee training, and communications. Firstly, we recommend the implementation of comprehensive training programs covering various aspects of food preparation safety, customer service, and quality control. Regular seasons will keep the workforce updated, ensuring a constant high level of product quality. Secondly, fostering open communication is critical. Promoting an environment where ideas and feedback on product quality and customer satisfaction are shared creates a culture of employee appreciations. Employee engagement avenues ensure frontline perspectives are considered in decisions making, strengthening bonds within the organizations. Thirdly, building and sustaining trust among employees is essential. Recognizing and appreciating those who uphold quality standards create a culture of trustworthiness and responsibility, inspiring a pursuit of perfections. Lastly, actively seeking and implementing customer feedback is crucial, involving customers in improvement projects and leveraging their input as a tangible asset allows business to align with customer expectation, creating loyal and satisfied customers. These recommendations from a comprehensive approach to help Malaysian SMEs in the F&B industry improve product quality, promote employee involvement, and create a foundation for sustained success in the competitive environment. So next, I will pass to the presenter. In conclusion, our study shed light on three key factors influencing product quality in Malaysian SME within the food and beverage sector in Mabuk Kedah. Firstly, trust among employees emerged as a crucial driver, highlighting its pivotal role in shaping overall organizational performance. Secondly, employee training is identified as a key influencer, aligning with existing literature, emphasizing the importance of training in enhancing organizational performance. Thirdly, effective communication is revealed as a catalyst for ensuring product quality, emphasizing the positive impact of open lines of communication on overall organizational performance. Our regression analysis further supports these relationships, providing statistical backing to the positive effect of trust, employee training, and communication on product quality. The study's practical recommendations include the implementation of comprehensive training programs, promotion of open communication, and building trust among employees. These strategies aim not only to improve product quality but also to enhance competitiveness in the market, ensuring the survival of Malaysian SME in the F&B sector and the delivery of high quality products. So that's all from us. Thank you.